Why upskilling is important?
The rate of learning and upskilling in a rapidly changing world is critical. You have to stay ahead by learning faster than others.
We're changing the world with technology, and upskilling is essential to stay relevant and to innovate continuously.
The best investment you can make is in yourself. The more you learn, the more you'll earn.
See, some of the famous personalities and rich person you know talks about how upskilling is important to get a successful life. And if you are still not convinced, then let me take you to the current market reality. Here are the current reports of big 4 companies or top companies that are still doing layoffs, mass layoffs, and even silent layoffs. And you know the reason behind it? Because the employees are not upskilling themselves. Now let me show you the other reality of students' life. The recent economic survey says that 51% of Indian graduates are job ready. That means 49% of them are facing employability crisis and are doomed. And even PhD holders are applying for the post of chaprasi. So this is basically the reality of current market scenario, and you have to get yourself ready if you want to get a high paying job or the right job. For which here I am with the list of top 7 high paying skill courses that you must do to get a job in 2025. So let's talk about all these skill courses, but before that, if you have any doubt related to online education or university or with these skill courses, then you can connect with me with the link given below in the description box, and with this link you can get free career counseling. So number 1, online certificate in foreign language, and the demand of this program has increased and you can get a job in a lot of sectors like schools, colleges, embassy, corporates. That means you have a lot of different sectors. The duration varies from 6 months to 1 year, and the fee structure is very much pocket friendly. You can pursue this program in just rupees 20,000 from Kurukshetra University online. And also you can do this program from Mizoram University in just rupees 10,200 for the complete program. Or next we have online accounting certificates that are you can pursue CFA, CMA, CPA, ACCA. Also, if you are someone who is preparing for CA exam and not able to clear it, then these programs are also a very good option for you, because these are a quite easy exam as compared to CA exam. And many of the companies are demanding such courses. Or next we have another high paying skill program, that is data science certification, in which the market demand is expected to grow by 322 billion by 2026. The fee structure of this program varies from rupees 40,000 to 1.5 lakh, and you can pursue this program from IBM or Internshala, and there are many other platforms. Or next we have generative AI program. In a lot of companies, people are demanding their employees to include AI in their work, and the demand and the job posting has increased by 411% since 2019. You can find a lot of platforms and free resources from where you can pursue this program. Another high paying skill courses is full stack web developer, in which the demand has increased by 13%, and a lot of top companies are now demanding full stack developers so that they can handle the complete project. So you can pursue this program from various platforms and universities like Kurukshetra University, DY Patil, Mumbai Online, and Internshala, and the fee structure varies from rupees 20,000 to rupees 40,000 for the complete program. The another high paying skill program is cyber security. The Indian cyber security market is expected to grow at a CAGR of 18.33% from 2024 to 29. With this program, you can get various job roles like security analyst, forensic analyst, responder, and a lot more. The last but not the least high paying skill program is project management. The recent report says that 3 million people will be needed every year to fill this project management position by 2030. So you can pursue this program from UPASION, and the fee structure is going to be 25,000 for the complete program. So these are some of the high paying skill programs. If you want to get more information about these programs or you want to take admission, then you can come to collegevidya.com, where you can take CV subsidy of up to rupees 10,000 in cash. So I really hope you like this video. Do subscribe this channel for more such informative videos.